Here we have more reading practice with words that have got 2 syllables and they end with one of the mute letters. That means that it's at the end of a syllable it doesn't sound, so the syllable ends in the sound of a vowel. And using tsere, which is the 2 dots here, tsere, and kamats, which is the little T shape. Once again, I'm going to give you time to read, what should be time to read, and then I'll say the word to myself, starting now. Echa, echa. Note it's not eicha, but echa. Betza, betza. Geha, geha. Gezera, gezera. Denga, denga. Hema, hema. Metzar, metzar. Mea, mea. Nechar, nechar. Nelam, nelam. Pea, pea. Tseda, tseda. Hema, hema. Hechal, hechal. Zenga, zenga. Shema, shema. Shemar, shemar. There should be kamats here. Yeshang, yeshang. Kera, kera. Lebab, lebab. Pea, pea. Tseda, tseda. Tselang, tselang. Keba, keba. Rekam, rekam. Shegal, shegal. Shena, shena. Sengar, sengar. Teba, teba.